Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with another 5x8 page for my wedding guest book. And this one is using my February scrapbooking store kit. I am trying to get caught up on videos, as you can tell, because this one I made way back in February and I just never posted it. And this page is actually the sister page to the first video that I posted using this kit. And I will put a link down below just in case you didn't see that process video. This is another favorite photo from our wedding. My wife, Ashley, and I got married in July of 2025, and I am trying to start doing more scrapbooking of these photos. I've printed out quite a few of them, but I still have a lot more to print. And Hannah and I are going to be starting our wedding series again. I think both of us posted maybe 1 or 2 videos last year when we decided to do this series, and then both of us have gotten busy and life is life. And so we kind of let it go to the wayside. But we've finally decided we want to come back to it. We want to scrapbook our weddings, and I'm super excited. So I am going to be doing this album, which is a smaller wedding guest book album where we had guests sign while they were at our wedding. And then I'm also going to be incorporating 12 by 12 pages for my bigger wedding album because I have both. I have this small one and then I have the big one. And I'm really excited to start getting the guest book all done. Like I said, I have some photos already printed for it, and I just need to figure out which ones I haven't printed, print them off, and get them put into the album. I think that is the biggest thing for me, is that if I have a plan and I sit down and I print out all the photos for the album and then I put them in the pocket pages, then when I go to scrapbook, I don't have to figure out what I want to do. I just pick the photos that are speaking to me and I get to work and I have lots of fun. So that is part of my process when I'm scrapbooking. I'm realizing that I like the organization beforehand. I don't often print out photos and then scrapbook lately because I don't know. I don't know why that has changed, but it really has changed over the last couple years because I was just printing off photos as I would take them, and I would scrapbook 1 or 2 here and there, and I would be happy with that. But now I like batch printing photos. Anyway, that was a long story that did not have anything to do with this layout. But as you can see, I am just adding some stickers, of course, using hearts. And Hannah actually pre-made the background for this page, which she did for quite a few pages in my wedding album. And so I really just have to add embellishments and a photo, and then the layout is done. So I think this layout really took like 20 to 30 minutes. Also, it's helpful that it is a little bit smaller of a page, and so not much has to really go into making these wedding guest book albums or pages. So I am going to use that love word down on the bottom, and that is going to be my title. And I think I'm done. I don't really think I add much more to this layout. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Make sure you check out the Scrapbooking Store website, which you can find my link down below. And if you click on that link and purchase through that link, that does give me just a little bit of a it's like an affiliate link. So it gives me a little bit to go towards my scrapbooking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great scrappy week. Bye.